Welcome friends. Do you have an iPhone and are currently having problems charging it because of a poor connection at the charging port? Well, this has happened to my last two phones and I want to help you to get your phone up and charging. Please subscribe. Here are a few tools we will need. So if possible, try to get the flat toothpicks instead of the round ones. We have our utility toothbrush, some canned air, and a nice bright light so we can look in the charging port. And I also have a vacuum cleaner. So let's look into the port. It's virtually impossible to see through the camera lens, but I can see a little bit of dirt in the charging port and I can definitely see some fuzz in the headphone jack. So first I'm going to try to vacuum it out, because I don't want to use the compressed air and blow it in the headphone jack any farther. So let's take our utility toothbrush and gently brush inside. Let's take our flat toothpick and gently try to remove any debris from the back of the charging port. Now I'm going to use the compressed air to try to blow it out. Now let's see if it's making a better connection. Our connection is still a little bit loose, so let's try one other little trick. Now for the next part we'll need some black electrical tape and some scissors. We're going to cut a very small piece of electrical tape the width of the charging port, because the charging cable charges on the bottom pins. We're going to take this small piece of black electrical tape and put it on the top of the port. And just cut the little bit of excess off. So now let's plug in our cable and see what happens. and you can see it immediately has contact. You can wiggle it around and no lost connection. Now this little trick might not last forever, but it's definitely enough to get your phone going for a while and at least remove any pictures or information that you need. So hopefully this will save you a little money. Please subscribe. Thanks.